Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to configure Apache as an installation server. First we log in, then we proceed to install the Apache web server or the HTTPD server using the jump install HTTPD and the -y option. After the installation completes, we proceed to restart the service doing a service HTTPD start. Then we make sure using Firefox or any other browser that the web server is up and running. As we can see, it's up and running. Now we move to the next step. In the next step, we're going to do a chk config HTTPD on to make sure the service continues to be running at startup when the system reboot. Now we proceed to do a mount of the actual image into a temporary directory. I have the image saved into a directory called software CentOS 6.2. Now we're going to mount it using the all option loop because it's an ISO image, and we're going to mount the image into home TMP as a temporary directory. Alright, now the image is mounted. After the image is mounted, what we will do is we're going to proceed to create a soft link using the ln-s, and that soft link will be created from the actual source. In this case is install servers HTTP, and then the destination of the link will be var www.html. Now we're going to copy all the content from home TMP, which is the actual mounted ISO. We're going to use the A for all, the V for verbose, and the R for recursive. And then we're going to copy all the content into a defined directory of install servers HTTP. Now this will take some time, so I will pause the video and return when it's finished. Okay, now that the video has finished doing all the copies, what we'll do now is we're going to adjust the SE-Linux permission using the chcom, the capital R for recursive, and we're going to use as a reference the actual HTTPD directory var www.html, and we're going to reference that to the symbolic link that we created under var www.html http. Now this will adjust the permission for SE-Linux, allowing your web server to run. We do a service HTTPD restart again to make sure that the web server is adjusted to those permissions, and we're going back to make sure that everything that we copy over is there.